My name is Piper Kelly and I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. So speed climbing is one of 3 disciplines in rock climbing, or sport climbing as it's called in the Olympics. In 2019 is when I had my first subluxation or partial dislocation, and then I believe it was 13 full or total dislocations over about the next 13 months. So not a great year there from 2019 to 2020. I chose OrthoIndy because I had a teammate on my local youth team whose father worked at OrthoIndy. He recommended me to Dr. Roberson, who I met with. We were on the same page, I felt like, both with the recovery plan and returning to sport after that. The goal was, during the rehab and everything, was come back in time to train and qualify for the 2024 Olympics.
Piper had a kind of unique situation where what had allowed her to be such a great athlete, meaning incredible motion in her shoulder and a lot of flexibility, had kind of tipped over the edge and become a problem. And so in that case, our goal or our real challenge is restoring stability to the joint, but at the same time not causing excess stiffness that then would not allow her to be able to pursue the things that she needs to. Thankfully, surgery went great. We're able to provide stability, but not over-constrain or not provide too much tightness. And so we can do our part there, but then there's a big part that comes after that, the therapy and the patient and the athlete kind of all buying in together. We're meeting back regularly, we're checking in, and then I think more importantly, we're communicating with those physiotherapists, with those trainers along the way. And so it becomes a very collaborative approach.
The surgery was only about 4 years ago. I actually had the 4-year anniversary just like 3 weeks before my debut at the Olympics. Looking back, I'm not sure I fully thought it was possible, like right after the surgery. But again, I took that time off and then just worked really hard once I was able to get back to it. And when I started, competing again and performing well pretty much right away and just kind of finding that mindset again, it was just an amazing experience, and I'm glad I was able to kind of continue that trajectory all the way into the Olympic stage.